Top focus at 10:30 a.m. Another attempt by the Kejriwal government in Delhi to control corruption. The Delhi Education Department has directed all private schools to let parents seeking admission for their children carry mobile phones inside. This is to allow them to collect evidence in the form of audio and video recordings if they are asked to make donations. According to the department, it has been noticed that some school managements of private schools are not allowing parents to enter the premises with their mobile phones. The circular adds that mobile phones are retained at the entry gate, which causes a hindrance for parents in collecting evidence of illegal malpractices. We've got Smita live on this story. Now, Smita, has there been any specific complaint that perhaps the Delhi government received on the basis of which this particular circular has come to light?
Well, these complaints, of course, keep coming in, Sanket. Parents do complain of a very high, in fact, donations being sought from them in the name of school admissions of their wards. Now, in terms of whether there was a specific complaint on which the Delhi government has, of course, enacted this circular is something we are yet to learn of. But clearly, this is keeping in mind Arvind Kejriwal's larger anti-corruption plank, which has been central to the rise of the Aam Aadmi Party as well. Remember, all across Delhi, you see these hoardings, these posters that say that ever since the Aam Aadmi Party has formed, the second time, of course, the government in Delhi, that 35 arrests have been made so far, that, almost more than 100 officials have been suspended so far. Arvind Kejriwal, of course, during his rallies, pre-election days, to even when he was swearing in as Chief Minister, with that constant message that if somebody asks you for a donation, then do not refuse, but rather make a recording and pass it on to the anti-corruption cell of the Delhi government. So it is keeping in mind, of course, those practices itself that Arvind Kejriwal knows has, of course, resonates with the masses. But we are yet to hear from the schools really as to how they react to this latest circular, where they've asked parents' mobile phones not to be kept at gates so that they can, in fact, record either through audio or video in case if they're asked for donations by school management.
Absolutely. And that, that point that you were actually mentioning, Smita, about this being a poll promise that Arvind Kejriwal had actually initiated, that don't refuse bribe, just record, that entire sequence and then give it to us and then we'll take action. Let's quickly listen in to what Arvind Kejriwal had said then, perhaps a manifestation of that in the form of this circular.
आपसे कोई रिश्वत मांगे, मना मत करना. सेटिंग कर लेना. अपना फोन जेब में हाथ डालना, अपने मोबाइल फोन को रिकॉर्डिंग पे लगा लेना. जब वो पैसे मांग रहा है, उसकी आवाज रिकॉर्ड कर लेना, मुझे लाके दे देना, हम उसके खिलाफ सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई करेंगे.
All right, we are now joined in by Ms. Shama Chona. At this moment, Ms. Chona, many thanks for joining us here on India Today. How do you look at this circular?
Well, I'm not really aware of this circular, but all the same, I think what the intention is that no donations should be asked for or no favors should be sought for giving admission to the children. And so I think to that an extent, whatever precautions or preventive measures are being taken are in the interest of the parent community. I'm sure sometimes these issues do sound laughable, but if you look at the intention, I do understand that we need to become very, very sincere and honest about admissions in this country, and there should not be any favors to those who are afford to pay, because equal opportunity and equal access to quality education is the key.
So, Ms. Chona, in effect, what you're saying is that, this, at least on the face of it, is a step in the right direction, because he's actually empowering people to go and maybe expose if there is any demand as far as donation is concerned. But yes,
how he has put it, maybe sounding different, but all he's trying to get at is that if you have evidence about becoming a target of seeking donation, then you should have the right to give us some evidence so that we know what we can do. Because there are lots of people who never take donations. If there is somebody who is, then we should also know the ones who do and the ones who do not. Because sometimes good schools are just blamed for nothing. So therefore I think the whole idea is that admission should be fair. Every chance should be given to each seeking
This particular action,
candidate. And of course the way it is put may be laughable, but I think the intentions are to avoid bad practices.
we here at India Today, Ms. Chona, are not calling this laughable, because this is something which has emotional connect. All those people who are parents face this problem in some form or the other. But you have been a principal in the past also of DPS RK Puram.
But sorry sir, why do you say all? Because I don't think that every school which is a quality school, I have run the school for 40 years,
Yes.
is necessarily a school which has bad intentions. So if there is evidence of a school that is doing a wrong thing...
No, Ms.
then I
Chona, but
think-
this is also a reality that most of the private schools in Delhi are now not directly asking for donation, but they, something called a camouflaged donation. Like, please give this much amount for development of the school building, this much amount for, an ad in the
Fortunately and
booklet.
unfortunately, I am really not aware of it, having run a clean school. But if that is happening, then I am fully with the government that every action should be taken to, punish those who do that. I am absolutely with it. I'm not saying about anything else other than saying putting hands in the pocket and so on and so forth. That's the only thing that made me a little feel funny.
Right.
Rest of it is okay.
Right.
But schools have to understand that their job is to teach children legitimately and must give quality education, and money is not their end and be all of existence.
Okay. Ms. Chona, many thanks for joining us here on India Today.